Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the SSL channel chart alert indicator for MT4 and MT5. This trend-based tool uses two customized moving averages calculated from highs and lows to create a dynamic channel that visually marks momentum shifts and alerts traders to potential trend reversals. In this video you'll see how the SSL channel works and how color changes signal trend direction. The SSL channel chart alert indicator, where SSL stands for Semaphore Signal Level, is a trend following tool that tracks price extremes through two 10-period moving averages, one following session highs and the other mapping lows. When this line crosses, they create distinct color changes that signal potential trend reversals, with this approach filtering out minor fluctuations and focusing traders on meaningful price movements. The dual line structure creates a responsive envelope that highlights momentum shifts faster than single line tools, adapting to volatility and making it ideal for fast paced trading environments. The SSL channel displays two parallel moving average lines that form an adaptive envelope around price action, creating visual boundaries that reflect market momentum on the chart. The color-coded system provides clear visual cues, with one color indicating bullish condition while the upper line is dominant, and another color showing bearish conditions when the lower line takes control, as we can see here and here for bearish conditions, and here for bullish condition, and again here. Real-time notifications through customizable alerts keep traders informed of crossovers and trend shifts without constant screen monitoring. The default setting uses a 10-period average, but traders can adjust this parameter to match different strategies by accessing the indicator list and modifying calculation methods like line colors and alert types. Scalpers might use 5-minute charts with tighter thresholds and shorter periods for increased sensitivity, while swing traders prefer daily timeframes with longer periods to smooth out noise. The system's flexibility maintains accuracy across forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities without requiring formula adjustments. The SSL channel charts alert indicator is suitable for traders who want a straightforward trend following tool with visual clarity and adaptive responsiveness to volatility. It works well when combined with RSI to identify overextended markets when price breaches SSL boundaries. ATR to adjust stop loss distances based on volatility, and volume oscillators to confirm breakout participation. However, it should not be used in isolation, and traders should wait for primary SSL trend signals, then check secondary tools for alignment before executing trades to avoid false breakouts during choppy sessions. You can download the SSL channel chart alert indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how the dual moving average structure with color-coded crossovers and customizable alerts can enhance trend trading precision. If you like dynamic channel indicators with alert functionality, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.